Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly dollar Canadian, to me it still looks like impulsive down and 1, 2, 3 waves up. It definitely did make 1, 2, 3 waves down also, but I think there's better chance that this bigger ABC is correct and that this will make a lower high, lower high, lower high, and most likely continue back down and eventually probably go down and take out that low for either a wave C or possibly a wave 3. So let's keep on going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like an A, 1, 2, 3 waves up for a B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a C with a break of structure. So, I mean, there definitely is a chance that this does stretch out like that, and if it does, I think we'll be able to trade accordingly on the shorter time frames. But I also think there's probably even a better chance that it does something like this and just keeps on trending down. So let's keep on going down to that daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I think it's very clear that this is a trend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Now this could be a wave A or it could be a wave 1, but I actually think it could even be a motive wave correction. But one thing I do know is that we got impulsive down with a break of structure. So that means that this move up right here is probably going to be a correction to this move down, and that it's either going to go down ending a wave B or a wave 2. This would be a wave A or a wave 1, and then go down for either a wave C or a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, which I kind of suspect that it is, then it might just keep on trending down. If it's a wave C, then it'll probably go up, break structure, and end up going up one more time, like I was showing on the higher time frames. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, I think it's very clear that this is a downtrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this move up right here is probably a wave A, and this move down is probably an A, B, C, or B. I actually think this move up is probably not over. I think it's going to end up stretching out like that to make a wave C, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. Most likely go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before we get that break of structure to the downside, and most likely the continuation of the downtrend for either a 1, 2, 3 or possibly a A, B, C. So let's keep on going down to that 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I think that this is going to continue to drift up most likely. I mean, it does kind of resemble a trend more than a correction, but I think it's more likely a 1 and a 2, and that this is probably going to go up and eventually make that 3, 4, 5 of wave C, just like I was showing on the higher time frames. Or possibly, I mean, I do see that this right here is 3 waves down, so I mean, this could possibly be a 1, 2, 3, and then maybe this is a 4, and then it goes up and makes a 5, and then ends a trend. But either way, I think that we do have some more upside potential, and I do believe that this whole thing is a correction to that bigger move down that I was showing on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.